How to use Sprout Social. So basically a short beginner tutorial. So Sprout Social is a social media management platform for planning posts, managing messages, tracking analytics, and monitoring brand activity across social channels. So if you want to go ahead and get started, you can open up any preferred browser you'd like and search for Sprout Social. There you can enter the platform or website and you can find these options here in the top right. So for example, log in, Sprout Social, and you can put in your email address and password as you mentioned if you already have one. And if you don't, you have this option in the bottom. So press on sign up now. You have a few options over here: professional, standard, advanced, and if you'd like, you can schedule a demo. So you gotta fill up all of this and press on get my demo over here. Once you place in your email address, you can go ahead and verify your email. They will send you a code to your Gmail account or whatever you're using, and you're gonna have to put in the verification code. Then you can connect a profile. So you can choose to connect your Facebook, LinkedIn, X, or Instagram profile. So for example, you choose your Facebook business option. You can choose the pages from there. In our case, we're just gonna choose one and press on connect. You will have 4 profiles remaining and what so. And if you'd like, you can also connect other pages like your Pinterest, your TikTok, and you can connect more profiles later. So for now, we're just gonna go ahead and press on next. Now you're gonna fill in where you work, organization name, website, size, country, and time zone. But from there, once your accounts are connected and your profile ready, you can use the publishing calendar. So the publishing calendar or the compose tools or whatever you have here, you can use this to create posts, add captions, upload media, and choose the social profiles you want to post to. Then since it is a calendar, you can schedule these posts. So you can schedule to post them for later or now, but Sprout does also support tools like the queues, the drafts, approvals, tagging, and calendar sharing, which will make it useful if you're managing content with a team or clients. Sprout's platform is built around publishing, engagement, analytics, listening, and reporting features. Let's say we want to upload something in Sunday. So we're gonna schedule a post or we can start a draft. In our case, we're gonna try scheduling a post. We can start writing our post. As you can see, it is going to be posted in this page since we've already connected that. If you'd like, you can choose it as a draft or not, as the option from before, but we can start writing our posts, uploading media, images, emojis, and locations and whatnot. This can be somewhat different depending on what page you want to post in. Your first comment, add a first comment for selected options. You can promote it as well. If you want to do this, you're going to have to connect your ad manager, and this is for your Facebook page. You can show the draft on your calendar if you'd like, and this is optional. And if you want to, you can choose the AI assist. Once you're done setting pretty much everything, you can save it as so. You have 3 options: save or duplicate, save or create a new one, or just save. In our case, we're just gonna save it as normal and it will be set to that date. So when the time comes, it should just post automatically. And after scheduling your content, you can go to your other tools like your Sprout queue. You also have your drafts. You should be able to see the stuff you've been creating. You can go back to your dashboards to take a look at the integrations, publishing your recent posts, and since you've just started, probably nothing will appear, and your reports. So from here, you can check your performance, you can take a look at engagement, impressions, and audience growth. From here, you can post the results, you can see what content is actually working, and as for beginners, the easiest workflow is pretty much to connect your profile, schedule your posts, and just monitor the messages. Check your reports as well from time to time, then adjust your content based on the data from your reports. Sprout also does continue adding platform updates like expanded threads management and direct video pin publishing for Pinterest, so it is worth checking new feature updates inside the dashboard. But that's pretty much the general idea on how Sprout works. There's definitely a lot more that comes with it. So if you want to check it out, you can try their trial option But hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.